Have you ever pondered what the future holds for search engine optimization? As we navigate the ever-changing digital landscape, it's a question that's been on the minds of many within the industry. Experts from around the globe have been weighing in on this topic, offering insights and predictions. Renowned digital strategist John Doe believes that artificial intelligence will play an even more significant role in SEO. He suggests that search engines will become increasingly sophisticated, understanding user intent with unprecedented accuracy. On the other hand, Jane Smith, a leading SEO consultant, argues that while AI will indeed shape SEO's future, the human element will remain crucial. She points out that despite technological advancements, the search engine's ultimate goal is to serve relevant and quality content to real people. Therefore, understanding human behavior and needs will always be at the heart of SEO. Meanwhile, Tom Brown, a veteran in the digital marketing industry, predicts a shift towards voice search. As voice-assisted technologies continue to proliferate, he anticipates more businesses optimizing their content for voice search. What do these opinions tell us? They paint a picture of a future where SEO is not just about keywords and backlinks, but about understanding and anticipating user behavior and needs. It's about staying ahead of technological advancements and adapting strategies accordingly. So, what are the main points to take away from this discussion? First, artificial intelligence is set to play a pivotal role in the future of SEO. This means search engines will become more intelligent, understanding user intent better than ever before. Second, despite these technological advancements, the human element will remain central to SEO. Understanding human behavior and needs will continue to be key in creating relevant and quality content. Lastly, there's a shift towards voice search. As voice-assisted technologies become more prevalent, businesses need to start thinking about how to optimize their content for voice search. In conclusion, the future of SEO is both exciting and challenging. It requires us to stay abreast of technological advancements, understand and anticipate user behavior, and adapt our strategies accordingly. It's clear that those who can navigate these changes and seize the opportunities they present will be the ones to thrive in the digital marketing landscape of the future.